And as we evolved in our manufacturing processes, Henry Ford brought us the assembly line, where it was one person doing one task, and now you have an operator versus a bunch of skilled individuals that are required to do a particular task. That is more and more true every single day, every single year. And as we have processes, for example, maybe it's welding, maybe it's assembly, maybe it's material handling, essentially automation is giving us the ability to do things faster and cheaper, right? So where it may have been one singular individual turned into 10 individuals in an assembly line, now can be converted to 10 robots doing that particular task. Or maybe we can flip it on its head and go back to a singular robot, or maybe 1, 2, 3 robots doing a bunch of different tasks, right? Inside of, maybe let's call it an assembly cell. Now, we can kind of do that same thing whenever we go back to robotics, right? Because those processes that we did in manufacturing and creating an assembly line can be reversed to some degree. Now, the assembly line method is still very, very good for automation and robotics, but especially when a budget is an issue, sometimes it makes sense to bring all those things back into one robot doing more tasks.